television host, the amazing, must say Dahlia, I must do it that way.
Queen
Dahlia Harris. And she's here to tell us all about her brand new play, Bloodlines. Welcome back there.
Thank you, guys.
Who has called you Dahlia? Let me know what's called her Queen Dahlia.
Dahlia, yes.
Queen Dahlia. And them not put stand-up comedian extraordinary.
I don't know why
What? But anyway, you're not here in that capacity.
Not at all.
There is some comedy in everything that you do. We're talking about your play.
Yeah.
Takes this audience, whatever audience, on a roller coaster. What is it about without giving away too much of it? Because I haven't seen it yet. Him go watch it already. Him, yes, people. Him go watch it already.
I've seen it.
I haven't seen it, and I hate spoilers. But just give me, in the shortest possible way, what is it about without giving away too much?
So it's about secrets and family secrets. So it's multi-layered. You know, when a family member dies and conversations start, you discover things about family that you never know, and who did know from who never know.
Old fridge stop freeze.
Yeah. And so you have a husband and wife, which is my brother-in-law and his wife, who are already battling marriage issues. My husband has just died, and so I go to spend time with them, and then a big secret comes out that just rocks everyone. But that's how one secret come, a next one come, and then after that one they come, a next one come again, and it's just how do we or do we not resolve it? When family tell lie, who do you believe? That's really it. Who do you believe?
So, was the play inspired by a personal life?
No, Craigie. Craigie, I hope you don't ask me that question because there's an issue of paternity involved in the show. Like, no, Craigie.
No
but
spoilers.
Paternity, them can't figure out what that. Yes, enough of that.
Yes, pattern. You know, like when you read pattern.
But for a long time, you know, said it's been a discussion in Jamaica about, you know, youth, who are the father and what is a father.
Clarify another conversation.
No.
And who determines who is a father? Who decides whether you're rightfully are a father, or the father?
Yeah.
So that's one of the things that intrigued me. I knew a lot of people that suffered loss, and then like them lose somebody, and then them say, you know, me never know this, and geez, I never know that. So I wanted to address that as well. So it just became different things that I layered in the show, and funny enough, let me just write it, not to be funny, but like sometimes when them say some things,
it come
people laugh, and I say, okay, Jamaica people, they laugh at
things.
So it's fun.
You said you're in the show and you live with your brother-in-law, and who are your co-stars in the show?
Earl Brown, he's a 40-year veteran in theater. Started out with Ginger Knight. He is a multi-award winning and nominated actor. So I needed somebody who could give me the kind of range required from Hopetown.
That's the character.
Yeah, some anger, lots of vulnerability, and just somebody that could open himself so people not just cuss him, although some women do, but that they understood him. Craigie, I lift up him eyebrow.
Bad piece of boy, man.
Hey.
Hopetown.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Bad.
Yeah.
No, hey, hold it.
No matter about the acting.
Okay.
The acting attack now.
No, I don't want to know, because sometimes when you start talking, things go jump.
No,
So what we
we're
do, stop
not
that?
it, where people have to come see.
No, that smile.
Ah, jeez. And then there's Maria Walters. And Maria hasn't been on stage for maybe 15 years. Because, you know, she's an accomplished accountant in another life. So people all over the world always say, I am Maria, you know. So the last conversation we had was, where are you? And she said, I'm in Italy. And I said, no, you have to tell me when you got there, Jamaica, because I have a show and you have to be in it. So I was lucky to grab her for these months. So a lot of people who come now and have never seen her, they're like, where you find this girl? Oh my gosh, she's so good. Watch Craigie.
Call Maria. What? Call her name.
Maria Walters. What happened?
You know, see smile on him face.
Someone to see.
No!
What are the...
You never say another word. You gotta say another word.
Craigie, are you serious?
All right, Craigie, hold on. We've heard from...
You know, I realize about that show you enough that me tell people say I have that theory, you know. I say, you see, pretty woman get her with enough things, you know. Yeah, man. Pretty woman get her enough things. Because she terrible when she ready in the show, but she dies. So the man them say,
Hold on, let
make she get away. Watch Craigie face. Watch Craigie.
Writer.
She have a pajama,
actress.
you see?
No, cool, no, Craigie, stop that, no, man, Craigie. No, you're going to go there no Sunday and win for your pajama for you. Just wait, no, man. Anyway, you saw the show.
I did.
I don't want you to give me too much in terms of what happens, but like, how did you feel about the story, the type of emotions it took you on through the entire?
Let me tell you what I was most impressed by.
And then, Craig, listen, people have to understand. Craig
Yeah,
don't like nothing.
I'm not impressed easy.
Craig like him wife, sometime him children.
Accurate. All right, so very accurate. So it was my whole family went. It was about 30 away in the theater like that. So we kind of we had a little rowdy when we're ready, but you don't know how it goes. But the most impressive thing to me was to see 3 actors, or 2 actresses and 1 actor, command a stage for the duration of a little bit less than 2 hours and entertain an audience. That is not an easy feat. That is not something that can be scoffed at. That is a serious thing. That was really good, Dahlia.
No,
that is impressive.
As the Jamaicans go, and them go say so.
No man, but for 3 people, so you understand, because in order for 3 people alone for captivate you for that amount of time, you know, the acting, the delivery has to be spot on and perfect, and it really was. Let me tell you, say Earl Brown, man, I never even know him real name, and I've seen it a few times.
Yeah.
But him completely transformed into the character.
You just see the character now. He's hooked on
man.
from now.
So,
I hooked on him name.
Thank you, Ducky. Can you big up the director, please?
Oh, big up Dahlia, big up.
Can you big up the director, please?
No man, excellent.
It's coming like football, you know, when the team winning, them say, hey, the ball, yeah,
I don't understand about the coach.
And when the team lose, them say, coach, you go home.
All right,
Yeah,
quickly.
Coach Galoo.
All right, tell us, when can we see the play? How much are the tickets?
So we're on mostly weekends at the Little Theater. It's $3,500. I'm going to say, you see them number, they call them 323-0751 or 926-6129. I'm saying that because right now there are a lot of people heading to the theater. We don't have no tickets for tonight, Friday.
We have tickets with you?
No, we're done.
Can I reserve tickets?
Yes. So
Okay, no
I'm
Sunday,
saying
I'm
call
going.
ahead, reserve, and we'll save the spaces for you. So for like this weekend, we only have tickets Saturday at 8, Sunday at 8. The 5 o'clocks are gone.
No man, I'll be there for Sunday.
The good thing about it is word of mouth, you know?
No,
people
Sunday.
see it and people say, come see it, it's good. Craigie and his posse,
Listen,
them watch the show like you watch
people,
TV at home and of course the show while you watch.
Dahlia, take up the whole of the time. Queen Dahlia, thank you so much.
Okay, bye, thank you.
Go.
We're on social media. Follow me, Dahlia Harris, you'll find me.
And look for the pajama seat.
We have Agent Sasko, his music video is coming up right after the break. Daytime Live, we're so forward. When we go watch a show, no problem, you're going to chat it out.